Assalamu alaikum. Too often, people choose to skip the suhoor altogether due to exhaustion or tiredness. A balanced suhoor will leave you feeling energized and help curb feelings of hunger and thirst during the day. Suhoor doesn't need to be elaborate, you can keep it simple. Along with the hydrating fluids and foods, try to include complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, which include brown rice, basmati rice, oatmeal, whole grain barley, bulgur wheat, quinoa and buckwheat, along with starchy vegetables including potatoes, sweet potatoes and corn, as they release energy slowly throughout the day compared to the highly refined or processed carbohydrates such as white flour, white bread, long grain rice, pastries, white pasta and sweet breakfast cereals, which are digested too quickly. Complex carbohydrates are often high in fibre, along with fruit and vegetables such as apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, raspberries, dark green vegetables and dates. Combine the high fibre and complex carbohydrates with lean proteins and dairy foods such as milk and milk alternatives, kefir, yogurts, eggs, chickpeas, beans, nut butters, tofu, soya, lean meats like chicken and fish. If you're rushed for time, then you can prepare a jar of simple overnight oats such as this one. Overnight oats are a refreshing cold meal, so if you like warm food, you can alternatively have something like a simple porridge like this one, or sourdough bread or whole grain bread with eggs, avocados, tomatoes and chili flakes. Alternatively, opt for bread topped with nut butters, banana slices and chia seeds. Or you could have a nourishing smoothie like this one for suhoor. Or you could have leftovers from iftar. The aim is to keep it simple, not to skip suhoor. Have high fibre and complex carbohydrates with protein and fluids. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share or follow Conscious Bites Dietitian.